Hello everyone, welcome to Crypto Mobile Mining and Trading. I am Dixon and let me give you a quick real-time update after my tireless research to give you the finest. Before we dive into today's massive news, do me a quick favor. Hit that subscribe button, give this video a big thumbs up, and don't forget to smash that notification bell so you never miss out on these crucial updates. Alright, let's get straight to it. We have some major market-moving news today. The legendary investor Cathie Wood and her firm, ARK Invest, have just made a fascinating strategic move that's got everyone talking. They've acquired approximately $2 million worth of shares in a cryptocurrency mining firm called BitMine Immersion Technologies, which trades under the ticker BMNR. Now here's where it gets really interesting. At the same time they were buying into BitMine, they sold off about $30 million of their holdings in Tesla, the electric vehicle giant. This isn't just a small shuffle. It's a clear signal, a shift in ARK's investment priorities. They seem to be moving capital towards the foundational infrastructure of the crypto world. Let's break down the key facts. ARK scooped up over 48,000 shares of BitMine across several of their ETFs. This is a significant vote of confidence in a company that has positioned itself as a crypto miner with a growing treasury of digital assets, especially Ethereum. In contrast, they trimmed their massive position in Tesla. This move seems to show ARK's growing belief that the real growth potential might now lie in the plumbing of the crypto and Web3 space, not just the big consumer tech names we all know. So why does this matter so much? First, it's all about crypto infrastructure exposure. When a major institutional player like ARK Invest starts buying into mining companies, it tells us they're getting more comfortable with getting crypto exposure through the stock market rather than just holding the coins directly. It's a way for big money to enter the space. Second, this shows an evolving conviction. Tesla has been a darling of ARK's portfolio for years. By trimming that position and putting the money into a crypto miner, Cathie Wood is signaling that the risk-to-return profile of crypto infrastructure might be more attractive right now. This is a huge piece of market signaling. Other funds and investors watch ARK's every move. When they validate a theme like crypto mining, it can create a ripple effect, drawing more attention and capital into similar stocks. If you're finding this breakdown helpful, please smash that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. It really helps the channel grow and allows me to keep bringing you this in-depth analysis. Also, drop any questions you have in the comments below. I'll do my best to answer every single one. Now, let's talk about the risk recalibration here. Mining firms like BitMine are not the same as a company like Tesla. They have unique risks. Think about volatile energy costs, the price of mining hardware, potential regulatory crackdowns, and of course, their performance is closely tied to the price of cryptocurrencies. By making this move, ARK is showing they're willing to take on these specific risks for what they believe is a significant potential upside. Of course, we need to consider the challenges. As I mentioned, mining is volatile. The profitability can swing wildly with electricity prices and crypto market cycles. This adds a layer of complexity that you don't necessarily have with a more established growth stock. Also remember that buying a mining company, AS stock, is not the same as buying Bitcoin or Ethereum directly. The stock's price can diverge from the crypto assets, and you're also exposed to the company's operational risks. Let's keep the size of this move in perspective. While $2 million sounds like a lot, it's a relatively small drop in the bucket for ARK's multi-billion-dollar portfolio, so we should see this as a strategic, tactical placement rather than a complete overhaul of their strategy. And regarding the Tesla sale, they aren't dumping the stock entirely. They still hold a massive position. This could simply be a classic portfolio rebalancing move, taking some profits after Tesla sees strong performance to free up cash for new, high-conviction ideas. So what should we be watching now? First, keep a close eye on ARK's upcoming filings, like their 13F and ETF holdings disclosures. This will give us more detail on which specific funds bought BitMine and whether they continue to add to their position. Second, we need to monitor BitMine's performance. How are their mining operations doing? Are they increasing their crypto treasury? How are they managing their costs? Third, we should watch ARK's broader portfolio. Is this just a one-off trade, or is it the beginning of a larger thematic shift away from legacy tech and deeper into crypto infrastructure? And of course, we'll keep tracking what they do with their Tesla position. Do they continue to trim it, or do they start buying back in? Their actions will tell us a lot about their long-term conviction. Finally, Watch the market's reaction. If other crypto mining stocks start to rally, it could confirm that institutional investors are aligning behind this crypto infrastructure narrative. To sum it all up, Cathie Wood's ARK Invest is making a nuanced but very deliberate pivot. They're adding exposure to a crypto mining company while taking some chips off the table from a tech superstar like Tesla. This is a powerful signal that ARK believes the next frontier of massive growth might be found in the infrastructure that powers the entire crypto ecosystem. However, as smart investors, we need to be aware of the unique risks that come with mining stocks and understand the difference between this indirect exposure and holding crypto directly. This is a fascinating story, and you can be sure we'll be following it every step of the way. Thank you so much for watching until the end. I truly appreciate your time and support. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit that bell button to stay ahead of the curve. And please leave your comments and questions down below. I'm Dixon, and I'll catch you in the next video with another real-time update.